Hello once again, welcome to Hearts Beat Info. So right now, therefore the bypass area and rain does the fall for inside the bypass environment, and I come here and say, "Ma, come check out this bypass environment so that we foresee the because this bypass environment, there are some parts where the government don't already do. They don't do some parts of the road, while some parts never done. And you know, see, they work on inside the circular road. And this one are the bypass of the circular road. So you come back say they work on the road, then they work on some parts, they will leave some parts, work on some parts, leave some parts. And so now I come here and say, make we check out the bypass area where they for inside this our great city, big city. So right now I dey for inside here na the Ogege junction. Don't forget do the Ogege junction. So if you wan see am, type Ogege junction, then you go see this particular road. But right now we just say we could just check out the bypass area and rain dey fall for inside this our marvelous city, because right now we dey for inside rainy season for Benin. You see say people dey hide for from the rain for inside Benin. And see they will cover all this mannequin for inside this place. So I just say my just walk out for here, we'll see the state of the road for inside this environment. And the good thing I say, this part of the road now say they say they also work on inside this part of the road, but right now they never work on inside this part. All these bus wey you see for here so now they load, they go the Ologbo area, then they load all these bus wey we see for here. So this side now you see am say this part now they never work on inside this part of the bypass area, but you get to see lot of businesses for inside this environment. So I want to say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time you come out before, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you've come before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. And luckily for me today, now say I carry umbrella as I be waka today. So as the rain jam me, luckily for me I carry umbrella, and thank God say I carry umbrella. So I'll feel work out for inside this environment. So therefore inside the bypass area of the circular road, then we just this. So therefore the bypass area of the circular road, then we just this one. You get to see this environment, we get the say one thing when they pass here when a trailer tipper trailers they pass here a lot. So I feel say that's why one reason why this particular road block. And as rain dey fall so now, go slow go dey for the Ewoku environment, go slow go dey, and some part of this road go slow go dey. But this other side, the other side of this road now, before bridge dey for here to connect to the other side, but because of the rain now the thing don cover. So now one other small road now everybody dey pass to go to the other side. So and then now we dey waka dey go. So I want to say a big thank you to you who watch Heartbeat Info. Thank you very much for supporting me financially. I want to say God will bless you. Thank you very much. And you give me advice to work out for this our marvelous and great city. I want to say thank you very much. Say I really appreciate say you give me advice on how to work out for this great city, and also you support me financially. I want to say a big thank you. So we did for inside the bypass area of circular road, then we just did. So we did for the bypass area. I would say we'll check out this place. We'll see the level of development when they happen for inside this place. And I know say hopefully by the time they finish this road all year, it will be very motorable. Just the way this particular side of the road now say this particular side of the road now say is smooth. So na so most of the road go come be. But once we just see the other side of the road when we see say that place don already dey work on am heavily. Even for inside rainy season dey still dey work on inside that environment. So we see am say bike still dey work for this environment. Bike still dey work. Major business wey dey for here, most of the businesses na small scale business because of say this place now travellers wey dey go Warri, Sapele dem dey always stop for here, so we get to see lot of small scale businesses, and also bus wey dey load the ring road dem dey always dey for inside this environment. So we dey for inside the bypass area. We see am say na the Levant na dey do the construction work for inside this place. This place now na im be only place wey wan connect that other side and this side now. So we see am say we dey see this place now say dem don already dey work on inside this place, but I no know how dem go still do that place now wey dey in between this road, because that place now, this place wey you see say grass dey so now na water na full am. That place so now na just water na just full am. Also people go dey throway dirty for inside the place. So we dey for inside the bypass area, so we just say make we check out this bypass area. So we see this road now say dem don already dey work on this place now. So this place now e be like that other road wey dey for the other side of Sapele road wey dem dey do, wey dey very strong. Na very strong road na be this one. I no know the name of the road exactly, but na very marvelous work by the government for inside this environment. So we dey for inside the bypass area, so we say make we just show how this bypass be, make we see how this environment be. Make no forget say right now say we dey for inside rainy season for inside Benin, so rain don dey fall a lot for inside Benin. And thank God say as I dey comot for house today say I carry umbrella as I dey comot for house. So you see am say dem don already dey work on inside this bypass environment, wey dey work on inside this area.
kind of access call to everywhere you find. Now here we go on. Now two more telecom. Now we be the oga pata for your telecom.
Yo, just this one na be the dey for on the under the bridge. So we see am sey rain still dey fall but we dey for under the bridge right now. So here na be the bridge of the bypass, here na be the official bypass for inside this environment. So we see am sey dis side now sey dem never work on inside this part of the bypass, dem never work on inside this part.
You don't know me. What do you want? Yeah, what do you want to go? What do you want to go? What do you want to go? What do you want to go?
For this corner, or for the front to enter the corner, the side, and the shop to come to the end here now.
So very soon we come to the end of this video. So I want to say a big thank you to you watch out beautiful. Thank you very much for supporting financially. Also God will bless you. Thank you very much. Are you the kind of person to work for this great city? Also thank you very much. Until meet again on another walk. Have a blessed day and also remain blessed. Thank you very much.